Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now I am going to discuss about title for this project. Our project title is Delay Efficient Energy Minimized Data Collection with Dynamic Traffic in WSNs. I am going to discuss about abstract for this project. Our project abstract is sleep scheduling is a widely used mechanism in wireless sensor networks to reducing the energy consumption, since it can save the energy wastage caused by the idle listening state. In the traditional sleep scheduling, however, sensors have to start up the times in a period and those consuming the extra energy due to the state transition. A widely proposed technique to extend the lifetime of the sensor node deployed for continuous monitoring applications is to use sleep wake up. Under this technique, a sleep scheduling for the sensor is computed such that at any given time only a subset of sensors are active. The remaining sensors are put into sleep. The basic mechanism for sleep scheduling is to select a subset of nodes to be a wake up in a given epoch while the remaining nodes are in the sleep state. That minimizes the power consumption so that the overall energy consumption can be reduced. The challenges is to designing a sleep schedule that maximizing the network lifetime while maintaining a desired quality of monitoring. Our proposed system provides the delay-free network as well as achieving a high throughput comparing with an existing system. Now I am going to explain about flow diagram for this project. First one is a node deployment. The wireless sensor network comprising a large number of sensor nodes. The radio channels model flows in a wave LAN with a bitrate of 2 Mbps and the transmission range is 250 meters. We considering the file transfer protocol and randomly chosen the different source destination connections. Every source node sends a 4 packet whose size of a 512 bytes per second. The mobility model is based on the random waypoint model in a field of 600 meter per 600. Next one is a routing discovery. Is the routing mechanism by which node wishing to send a packet to the destination B containing the source node to the B. To performing a routing discovery, the source node A broadcasting a routing request the packet through the network in the controller manner and is answered by the router reply. Packet from either the destination node or another node that knows the routing to the destination. Routing discovery based upon the routing table information. Next one is an sleeping wake up scheduling. The sleeping wake up scheduling is an effective mechanism to prolonging the lifetime of those energy constrained and heterogeneous wireless sensor network. The energy required to sense events is usually a constant and cannot be controlled. Hence, the energy extended to keep the communication system on is a demonstrating component of the energy consumption which can be controlled to extended in the network lifetime. Wake up scheduling is scheduling in which node are moved to active mode to transferring the data from one node to another node. Wake up scheduling classified in two parts. They are wake up demands and wake up on specific time. A data collection point collected a sync node or a base station. One of the way to increasing the network lifetime is by introducing a mobility into the wireless sensor network. A data collector is mobility. It has improving the coverage and it also has the additional advantages of connecting disconnecting network. A data collection by the data transfer, we mentioned the communication process between the nodes at one hop neighbors. As a consequence, the data transfer protocol have been away from the issue which results from the mobility. In fact, the communication process is not only by a condition prevalent in the channel but also by the distance between the source node and the receiver with challenging of the speed. Next one is an analysis model. A throughput, packet ratio, delay and the energy consumption is calculated in the performance measures. Now I am going to discuss about output for this project. First open the root home. In that root home have a code folder. this code folder have our main.tcl file, and then open the terminal window for run the project. So here in that root home have one readme file. First right click the readme file and open with the gedit option. It has some commands for running procedure. So following this command, go to the terminal window and type the following commands for running this backup. So first one is cd space code. The code folder is there. So now I am going to change the directory root into code folder. So see here, the root directory is changed into code folder. Next one is the main.tcl file running. So now I am running the ns space main.tcl command for running the main.tcl file. Here it's running. The number of nodes is set 104. 4 destination nodes are created and the 100 mobile nodes are created here. The channel is estimated here. The wake up nodes and the sleeping nodes are calculated here, and the routing table is updated in this process. The routing table is used to sense the data depends upon the sleep and wake up scheduling. This is 104 node deployment process. Now I am click the play button for this project. So this is speed setup. So the rose color nodes indicates the destination 1, destination 2, destination 3 and 4, and the pink color node indicates the wake up schedule nodes. So wake up nodes are displayed in the window, and the data shared between the base station 2, destination 1, destination 2 node, destination 3 and the 4th node. For example, all the violet color nodes are a sleeping node, and the wake up node is a pink color node. After the data transmission, we calculating the performance measures for this project. So now I am going to run the performance of the graph. So in this process, we calculating the 4 types of graph: energy, delay and packet delay ratio, throughput. First I am run the graph energy space x.g. So this command is used to display the remaining energy for this process. Next one is graph pdr.xg. This is packet delay ratio graph. The packet delay ratio is high. Next one is xgraph space thr.xg. This is throughput for this for our network. Next one is delay graph. This delay.txt command is used to display our delay for this project. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Our demo is completed.